Hey everybody, it's Ben here. It is day 2 of the Tesla road trip to head on down to Austin, Texas for the Fully Charged live show. So I hitched a ride in this beautiful Tesla Model S here. Over here we got Karl, it's his car, and over there is Tyler. So we got a couple of GoPros and blogging and vlogging and all that kind of stuff. And this is one of the supercharging stops. The superchargers, they always have like bathrooms, food, everything you could want, and even other Teslas charge. We drove that one away apparently. I don't know. Too much blogging. He's like, oh, I'm out of here. But it's been interesting so far. I got a little bit of a head cold, so I'm not quite as enthusiastic as I otherwise might be. So I've been hanging out in the back seat listening to podcasts for the most part. But it's interesting, but it's still a road trip, so it's just a lot of miles. But I think I'm going to take a break, go into this outlet mall here and grab some food, then we'll be right back on the road.